Kerala Railway family. Yes, the Kerala Railway engine family. And that is, of course, Prince Choo Choo's step-brother. Yay! That's right, the step-brother of the Prince Choo Choo. Little Choo Choo. I was originally going to make him a tender engine, but then I decided to make him a tank engine, quote-unquote. It added some tanks and a handrail thing right there and everything with a tiny whistle, dome, funnel, of course, domeless area, tiny tall cab, and everything, and of course, the buffers. This engine has two ballast wheels, only one set on the front, and then 4 driving wheels on the back. That's about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 wheels. 2, 4, 6 wheels. This is how the wheel system works, if you want to know, by the way. Here's the bottom. Here's the top. Sides. Front. Back. I didn't really add a coal bunkers to this engine because I really didn't know if it was going to look similar to Thomas and Thomas and Friends. But anyway, that's all for today's video. Hope you enjoyed it, and we will see you next time. We had just completed the Kerala Railway engine family, so now we're going to move on to the next railway of the MLP universe,